to fix App Store cannot connect error on iPhone or iPad. Encountering the cannot connect to App Store error on your iPhone or iPad can be frustrating, especially after updating on iOS 18. So here is how to fix this issue. First of all, simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and there you can see General option available there and simply tap on it. Once inside the General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once inside the Transfer Reset, tap on the Reset, then choose Reset all settings options available there and reset your iPhone. You will be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode, the one with you unlock the iPhone with. Then once done so, once you have reset your iPhone, go back to the iPhone settings. And all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Once you tap on the screen time, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option available there. And toggle that switch on. Now all you have to do is, again, tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases option available there. Then tap on the installing apps and make sure that it is an allow option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.